Didn't I tell you that it seemed like every week it was a little bigger? Okay. This one's going to be super fast because I have to go somewhere. So the chickadees are already here. I don't know if you can see them. Yes, right there. Hi, babies. I'm going to come and feed you, okay? Oh my God, look at all the food. Look at all the food wasted. Okay, you didn't like this one. Understood. Okay. This one is a favorite. Okay. I need you. I'm borrowing you for a minute. Oh, you're noisy. Okay. So, quick recap. This is always super not famous, very popular. The squirrels like this. The mourning doves come in here, and I guess it's sturdy enough for them to sit in and eat. So there's that. Of course, all the bird food is gone, and I think what I'm going to end up doing is putting this on some kind of pedestal, because having it hang and having big birds come in and swoop in, it just rocks it back and forth, and the food just falls out. They ate the suet. They like the suet. I really have to start keeping track. I say that every week. But the biggest, no one has eaten this. It's a great design because the little birds love to come in here, but they don't seem interested at all in what's in here, which is like cracked corn and cracked seeds. So I'm going to stick to my regular bird seed, and I'm going to pour what was left in here into this big one. I'm not going to show it to you because I really only have a few minutes. I got to be out of here by 5:30. Okay, I'll take you down, whatever. It's going to be interesting moving this like this. Okay. In the moment. All right. Ooh, I hope that's still working. Okay, so I'm going to put this big thing in here. I don't want that to go to waste. And then I will fill this with the generic. I got a much bigger bag this time around. This is the wild bird seed, the big bag, 25 pounds. So I'll fill this up with, this is the cut corn, wheat, red milo, white millet, black oil sunflower seeds, and red millet. So that's what's in here. I'm going to give some more sunflower seeds, since that seems to be popular. And I bought more mealworms. So this is high protein, those little babies. And the mealworms. If you could see that. And I'll mix I got this big bag. I have to use it now, so. Might as well just put it out. I think the squirrels will like it. The other birds will like it. I bet you the possums would like it. I bet you the possums would love it. Okay, so that's full. The suet cakes I'll do last. This I will fill, move this out of the way, with this bird seed. Let's prop this up over there. You see that? Hopefully you can see that okay. Okay. Spring is definitely here. The mosquitoes are out. I put some of the junk cake things. I know there's a way to open this properly, but I'm not doing it right now. I don't care. Can I get it in there? There we go. I knew there was a way to open it, but I didn't do it right. It's alright, whatever. That's what happens when you're rushing. Okay, the little birds love this food. They're just not able to get to it often because the bigger birds get it. I had an interesting conversation with a lady at the cashier at the discount store I was at. She said she has to clean her bird feeders, but that she was surprised because no birds are here yet. And I was like, what? How are there no birds at your feeders yet? My birds are always begging me for food, so I don't know how that happened. I don't know what she's doing, but I told her, try not to get the really expensive bird food because the birds around here love whatever's cheapest. It's not junk food, it's just cheapest. Okay, so let's get, this is for the squirrels, which is mostly going to be sunflower seeds. I think that's what everybody was really interested in. And let's give them some of this too. See if that's in any way, shape, or form interesting to them. I think the squirrels will like that, and then they can dig for the sunflower seeds. Okay, so I've got this one, I've got this one, and let's put the cakes in here. Move this over. Oh, this thing is ready to fall apart. Okay, we'll get rid of that. I'll just go out here to some squirrel who wants it. What do we have today for cakes? Probably the same thing as last time. We have high energy suet, which is rendered beef suet, cracked corn, white millet, black oil sunflower seeds. And this one is the berry treat. And this one is rendered beef suet, cracked corn, Milo, black oil sunflower seed, white millet, artificial berry flavor. So they're pretty much all the same. They just have one or two ingredients that are different. So I'll put that one in here. Oh, it smells like berries. The mosquitoes are getting me. Okay, that's garbage. This one. Oh, I have a little ladybug friend who's here visiting. You want to eat my aphids, Miss Ladybug? Please come eat my aphids. There we go. Okay. Short and sweet this week, people. Short and sweet. It's so crooked. All right, let me put this. Oh man. Let me go put this up. Oh, can't do this one-handed. Oh, you're still so loud. Be quiet. Okay. Okay, so around this time, I basically lost access to the audio from my microphone because the battery ran out. But I wanted to say that this bird feeder here was something that I wanted to get a duplicate of because I was really excited that the birds immediately went to that, especially the smaller birds. But unfortunately, it seemed like the food that I put in there was not what they really wanted to eat. So I ended up going out, getting another one, and I refilled it today with the bird feed from my regular grocery store, and that we will see over the week if that will actually bring the birds there. I really bought a huge bag of this bird seed that I don't think anybody is willing to eat because even the squirrels didn't seem like they wanted to eat it. So I added that to the other bird feeder and we will see how that goes. And already you can see that the birds are hilariously in there. This is where I forgot to say that this is April 24th, Feeding Friday, and I might actually turn this into a bird feeder review channel. Just kidding. At least Feeding Fridays, I might end up putting that in there. So we'll see. But as always, the birds are calling each other because the food is here. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.